Hello everyone, welcome to part 26 of dating social networking website in Laravel 5.6 and 5.7. And in this video, we are going to work on view photos section once again in admin panel, and we are going to update the user's photo status. Like we can able to update disabled to enabled and unable to disabled. Okay, this kind of thing we are going to update the status in from jQuery Ajax, like we have done for view details. That details dating profile we can enable or disable depends upon the information that the user has provided for his dating profile. Okay, same thing we are going to do for view photos section as well. Okay, so let's start working on it. Part 26. Okay, so in the last video we have seen that we able to update view users blade file, and we able to update the status and photos for the means we able to show the actual status and photos, and actual status is always disabled by default. And now we have made those changes in last videos, like user photo status is coming in class, and we are also in rel we are adding the photo id. Okay, so so we are going to use this user photo status for as a click event, as a change event. Okay, to enable disable user photo. So we will update metrics for validation file that is provided with our matrix template. So we are going to update this matrix form validation. Okay, so here we can update this user status. Okay, like same like user status, and now we can update the user photo status as well. Okay, so we can copy the same code because we are going to use the same things again for enabling disabling the user photos as well. Okay, here we can simply write user photo. Okay, now we are working with photo, and here that now we have made user photo status. Okay, user photo status we have used as a class for the photo. See here, user photo status. So we can use user photo status as well. Every time there is change in user photo status change function we have used, after that we will pass photo id. We are passing photo id in rel. You can see we are passing a photo id in rel, so we can get that photo id in rel. So every time if checked equal to true means user is going to enable this one like this. Okay, so every time user do like this, and then it means it is true, and we can able to then update you with the status one, like we have done for user status. Now we will do for update photo status. That route we are going to create now in some time. Update photo status route. Okay, update photo status route we are going to update. So this one we are going to do, and here as well we will pass, instead of user id we will pass photo id. Okay, so we will pass here photo id as well. So also make this change. Yes, everything seems to be fine. And here as well, in case if the status is disabled 0, if the status is enabled 1, then we are doing like this. And if the status is 0, then in that case we will update the status to 0. And here also we will photo id we will use, and user photo status we are going to pass it to update photo route we are going to create. And this thing we have used for CSRF token, that you can also use that. In few videos earlier we have added this. Otherwise issue will come here, token issue will come. It is done for the security of Laravel. So you can also do like this, and just you need to copy this function that we have used for user details. Okay, user details, or you can say dating profile. Okay, so same thing. This one we have used for dating profile, and this one we are using for user photos. Okay, 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 one photo we are good. Okay, so now that is clear. I hope user photo status we are using to check this function to change means change event we are using photo ID we are getting from here. If the value is check true, then we are passing one to update photo status. Update photo status. We are going to use another function to update the status. Okay. So if zero, then if that we will make it disable here, then like I'm going to make it unable to disable, then this second part else condition will work, and we are going to update with zero. So I hope it is clear up till now, and now we can create a route. Okay, so let's create a route in web.php file. So we can create a route for update photo status. This time we can simply create after update user status like this. Now we can check here update photo status and user controller. Here as well we can add update photo status instead of update user status, update photo status like this. Okay, so now we can create this update photo status function in UsersController. Okay, user controller files we can create this function. After this one we can copy this function in fact because it's almost identical, just few changes we need to make. Update photo status. Okay, so under update photo status we are going to do here where here it will come like ID, and here we are going to use user photos this time, user photo model. Okay, as we are going to update the status of the photo, so you can check here the table user photo table. You can check the status we are going to update. So we are comparing status with the ID. We are passing this photo ID, and going to this photo ID we are updating its status as well. Okay, so user photo where ID here we are passing the photo ID, so we can pass here as well photo ID, and we are going to update status, and status also we are passing from there. Okay, you can see both the things we are passing, photo ID and status. You can check out photo ID we are passing and status we are passing, and both these things we are getting here in our new update photo status. Okay, we are comparing photo ID with the ID and updating status as well. So now we can check it that it will work fine or not. We can go here. Here we can go refresh it properly, and now check view photos. Both the status are disabled right now. Now we are going to enable one of the status, and we'll check that if it will affect or not. See, the photo status has been updated now from 0 to 1, you can see, and another status I am also going to enable and will refresh it as well. See here from 0 to 1 once again. See, it is working very fine. I am going to disable both the status now, and now see status, both the status now disabled to 0. So now it is working fine. We can update the status of the photos of the users from admin panel very easily with jQuery, Ajax, and without refreshing the page as well. So you can come anytime, you can log out even, and you can check like if I will enable both status. Okay, so now you can see status of both photos are 1, must be 1. See, you can yeah, status of another photo as well. And yeah, 1 minute, you can check it out once again. Page is still refreshing, so there is some delay, but it will work fine. If you will check it once again, cloud, actually internet is not working. It is getting some data from the internet, that's why it is happening, but it will work fine. See, it just getting some data from the internet, that's why it is doing like this. Otherwise it will work fine. You can update. See here, the status has been updated this time. Both the status is updated to 1, and see here as well both the status is updated to 1. I'm going to log out and log in again and we'll check the status once again. Okay, so I'm going to log out and we'll check that if the status it will show the right status next time whenever we log in. Go in users panel, view users, both status must be enabled this time. You can check both status are enabled this time. Now I'm going to make it disabled. Fine. I'm going to check here. Both 0, you can see both 0. I'm going to log out again and we'll check back again. Status is fixed now, means whatever we'll do, it will work perfectly. You can update the status of users or anything else like this with jQuery ajax. Okay, once again with your admin details, and you can go there and check the status so that it will work fine. Okay, so you can check out and we'll see body status must be disabled. See here disabled, so it is fine. I'm going to enable once again. So it is working fine now, and up till this video, I hope everything is clear, and we are going to do something new in next video of dating series. So up till then, have a nice time. Goodbye.